What if I told you that your daily coffee could cost you over $100,000 in your lifetime? Sounds crazy, right? But the math doesn't lie, and today I'm going to prove it. Most people don't think twice before spending $4 to $6 on coffee every day. It feels small, it feels harmless, but small habits repeated daily create massive results, either for your wealth or against it. Let's break it down. If you spend $5 a day on coffee, that's about $150 a month and $1,800 a year. Now imagine instead of spending that money, you invested it into a low-cost index fund, earning an average of 8% annually. After 10 years, about $26,000. After 20 years, about $82,000. After 30 years, about $223,000. That's not coffee money anymore. That's a house down payment, early retirement, or freedom to work less and live more. And here's the powerful part. You didn't earn more, you just spent less and invested smarter. This isn't about quitting coffee forever. It's about becoming intentional. Rich people aren't rich because they never spend. They're rich because they prioritize long-term value over short-term pleasure. Ask yourself this: does this purchase bring me closer to my future or just make today a little more comfortable? Here's how you can start today. Track your daily spending for 1 week. See where your money actually goes. Cut or reduce one small habit: coffee, snacks, subscriptions. Automate investing that exact amount every month. Use a brokerage app and invest in broad index funds like the S&P 500. Be consistent. Time and patience are your biggest wealth tools. Let's see a real-life example. Imagine two friends. Person A buys coffee daily. Person B brews at home and invests the difference. After 30 years, Person A has memories. Person B has financial freedom. Same income, same life, different choices. So the real question isn't, can I afford this coffee? It's, is this coffee worth giving up my future? Small choices shape big lives. Start choosing wealth. If this video helped you,
like, subscribe, and comment "Invest" if you're ready to start building your future today.